Hi, in this next episode, we're going to talk about the grep command. The grep command stands for General Regular Expression Parser. What it's made for is to be able to search out specific patterns. Think of certain patterns when it comes to words, like countries that end in land, England, Finland, New Zealand. These patterns can be used in order to search through files and to be able to search for specific patterns in files. Based on the specific options that you can put in grep, you can really run case-insensitive search, run inverse search, recursively search within directories, even show file names that actually match your search within an entire directory instead of just a file. There's also other switches used for showing specific number of lines before and after your search. And there's even other options which I encourage you to explore using the grep -- help flag. In this upcoming lab, we're going to show how to use the grep command in order to filter and find specific patterns from your files and even your output. Please stay tuned. In this episode, we're going to talk about the grep command. The grep command allows you to search for patterns within files. These are text patterns within files, and of course, it works even on general output. So when I go into activities, launch up the terminal, and show you how it works. So when it comes to regular output, such as the ls-l command, here again, I want to read the details of my root directory. I type this command and I have a really long output. Let's say I want to filter that output. I can actually push that output to a pipe, and here I will use grep in order to filter for something very specific. So let's say I want to filter for etc, and here it filters out of that entire output the one place where etc is. So again, it works allowing you to search for a specific pattern from an output from inside a file. So again, I can say grep Toronto inside my MBA file, and again, it reads me that one record where it was able to match from my filter. All right, so grep have other options as well. I can say grep -i and a lowercase Toronto, and it'll still match the uppercase because -i means invert. You can do other things as well, such as inverse. So grep -v, Toronto, MBA, and now it's going to find everything that doesn't include Toronto. So here, again, you'll see down at the bottom, it has excluded or omitted where Toronto would be after S. So this is the basics of using grep to be able to filter text from files. Here is, again, a useful way for you to be able to process output and process text files. Thanks for watching this episode. I'll see you in the next one.